How to fix front camera not working in iPhone. To fix this issue, the first step you need to follow is simply close all of the tabs that are opened. Once you close all of your tabs, check if your front camera has started working or not. If your problem is still not solved, then you have to launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, scroll down a little bit. There you will see general option. Tap on it. From there, again scroll down to the last. There you will see shutdown button. Simply tap on it and shut down your device for at least 30 seconds and then restart it. And check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is still not solved, then the other step you need to follow is you have to reset your device. To reset your device, simply tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset and do reset all settings. Then you have to enter your passcode and then you are good to go. In this way, you can easily solve this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.